Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Zengo. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo application, then enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, click to continue. Then you will receive a verification email in your mail ID. Access your mail. Then click to tap to confirm. Then your email will be verified. Once your email has been verified, click to continue. Then click to enable device lock. You can use Zengo Pro version or just free version. Then click to explore the app. Then you will be signed up to Zengo. This is how you can sign up a new account in Zengo. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.